that you sent your dear Son. God commends His kindness and love toward us, in that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. God, you did not spare Him, your beloved Son. Father, how we praise you for this precious one.
Can know the love from our fathers be? Ears have never heard, eyes have never seen, but Lord, I've been redeemed. God is love, oh God of man, you became a cursed man to me. God, you died for me. Lord, you hung from a tree. Father, you have sent Him, your beloved Son. He shed His blood on Calvary. Your love reached me.
God so loved the world that He gave us His Son. Just believe in Him, be not perishing, but have eternal life. Just believe in Him, be not perishing, but have eternal life.